Hi and welcome to Sciencedesk. In this video, we shall discuss about digestion. This video, we will discuss what is the need for food, what are the various digestive organs, the types of digestion and the process of digestion. Now we will see the need for food. Have you ever thought how are we obtaining our energy to perform all our day-to-day activities? We consume food. This food is going to give you the nutrition and this nutrition is transferred to energy. This energy is the one that is going to propel you to do all your day-to-day activities. Now we shall see what are the different types of digestive organs. You can classify them as gastrointestinal tract organs and accessory organs. Gastrointestinal tract organs will include mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Accessory organs will include liver, pancreas and gallbladder. Now we shall locate where are these organs located. Here is your mouth, including your teeth and tongue. Now you have your esophagus. From the esophagus, it will lead to stomach and then to your small intestine. Then comes your large intestine. After digestion, the unwanted product and the waste are excreted out through rectum and anus. Now we shall see about the accessory glands. Here is your liver, then comes your gallbladder and your pancreas. Now we shall see what are the two types of digestion. The first one is mechanical digestion and comes your chemical digestion. What is mechanical digestion? Mechanical digestion is when the physical breakdown of your food is happening. When you are chewing with your teeth, this is when physical breakdown of your food is happening. When you talk about your chemical digestion, it is happening because of your enzyme mediation. The gastric juices and the enzymes will act on your food and break them down. This is what you call as a chemical digestion. Now we will see what is the process of digestion. It starts with the process called ingestion. When you consume your food in your mouth, because of the use of salivary glands, tongue and your teeth, your food is broken down into smaller complex and it is forming as bolus. This process is called ingestion. This bolus is going to travel all the way along your esophagus and reach your stomach. This is what you call as mixing and movement. Since the food is moving all the way from your mouth to the stomach, this process is called mixing and movement. From there, after reaching your stomach, the secretion happens. You have your gastric juices and hydrochloric acid to convert your food into simpler compounds. From there, it is going to go to your intestines where the absorption of nutrients are happening. When all of these are done, what is going to happen to your unwanted waste? Yes, the unwanted waste from your body is going to get excreted or removed through the structures called rectum and anus. If you really feel this video interesting and informative, please do like this video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.